Y'all trying to grow your biceps, man? I got a circuit for y'all. You want to start out with alternating curls doing 10 reps. Then you're going to go directly into these unison curls for 10 reps. Then you're going to do the same thing, but with hammer curls this time. So alternating hammer curls, 10 reps. Then you're going to do the unison hammer curls, 10 reps. Then you're going to end with some easy bar curls for 10 reps. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. Bet you go home and your girl notice your biceps, man. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to build a big chest. We starting out with this Smith machine incline press, going 4 sets of 12. Just look at how much my chest is opening up from this movement alone. Then we gonna jump into this flat dumbbell press. Here I'm going 4 sets of 12. You really want to focus on controlling the weight and not just bouncing it off your chest at the bottom. Hey man, your boy trying to build a top shelf. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this seated incline press movement. Here I'm going 4 sets of 12. This is a great machine to build your upper chest. Then we're gonna get into this neutral grip press. Here I was trying to target my lower chest, but this machine doesn't really converge at the bottom, so it doesn't really do that great of a job, but man, we make it work. Then we're gonna get into this seated tricep press. Here I'm going 4 sets of 12. Also, I'm leaning forward because again, I'm trying to target my lower chest. And then man, you know we gotta end with the lateral raises, man. I'm spamming these, going about 4 sets of 15 here. Peep the pump, man. Like and follow for more.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की.
Let's fucking suffer.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not.
Treat me like white teeth, don't get me dirty. Love, love, love on me, love, love on me.
Bring it,